Today we're going to be taking a look at a webcam from 2012 and why I still think it's the best webcam for you and your YouTube channel. Keeping up to date with your YouTube gear on YouTube can be daunting and very expensive. But today we're going to be taking a look at the best webcam I can suggest to up-and-coming YouTubers when starting a YouTube channel. We're taking a look at the Logitech C920. Now, a bit of a backstory, I purchased this webcam back in about 2012, maybe mid-2012, the year it came out. I can't remember how much I purchased it for, but I know it was under $100. Back then, I was making YouTube videos on my gaming channel, and I was also live streaming to YouTube and Twitch as well. And the quality that came from this webcam was just undefeatable, and I still use it to this day. If you do watch some of my other videos where there is a face on camera, that's the webcam I'm using. I do use two, the Logitech C920 and my Razer Kaio. And to be honest, I was gifted the Razer Kaio, which is the only reason I upgraded. If it wasn't gifted to me, I'd still be using my Logitech C920. Well, let's talk specifics. The C920 at its widest is roughly 3.5 inches and 9 centimeters long. The camera itself has a full HD glass lens that is matched with two microphones, although I do suggest using a separate microphone when it comes to YouTube and streaming. The camera comes with a built-in tripod that you can extend backwards and forwards, up and down. Most of the time I just had mine sat on my computer monitor or my laptop monitor, but you can actually screw it into a tripod. You can pick a tripod up for about 20 bucks on Amazon. And as for recording, the Logitech C920 boasts a 1080p recording resolution and also records in a H.264 format, so it takes some processing power off your CPU. There is really no setup required for the webcam at all. You simply plug it in for the first time and the Logitech software should automatically start to download. But you can also find those drivers to download manually from the Logitech website. So if you're just starting out on YouTube or Twitch, or you're looking to upgrade from a built-in webcam or something that has less quality, take a look at the Logitech C920. I really don't see myself throwing this webcam out ever. Unless 4K becomes even more popular, then maybe I'll have to consider upgrading. But for now, I'm sticking to it. So set aside any old webcam that you're using, including that horrible built-in laptop webcam, and pick up yourself a Logitech C920. Just remember, you don't have to buy brand new at all. Thanks for watching today's video, guys. I do want to start doing a little bit more reviews for you guys about the tech that I have and have come across within my journey through YouTubing. So if you did like it, make sure you leave a like down below. Leave me a comment as to what webcam you started out with on YouTube and what you're looking to upgrade to eventually. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.